Gorka gloats as Jack Tapper licks his wounds and Obama official hides from debate. Sebastian Gorka, who currently serves as deputy assistant to President Donald Trump, is fighting the mainstream media as they continue to report fake news. Breitbart reports, this month, Gorka schooled CNN dunce Chris Cuomo on Indonesia and Egypt, reminded Alison Kamrota that Nick at Night has more viewers than CNN, and taught the feeble Anderson Cooper a lesson about Walter Cronkite. Gorka is on fire. He also said that the hosts are licking their wounds after his VA downs. He won't just sit down and let the mainstream media do what they want. He has had it enough with the so-called journalists who report fake news. This week, Gorka appeared on Fox News and discussed the battles with the media hosts in the fake news industrial complex. Hannity was impressed by Gorka's media BA downs. Who wouldn't be? Breitbart reports, before leaving for his Paris trip, Trump reportedly said to West Wing aides, "Did you see Gorka? So great, I mean really, truly great." Gorka, who has said he is willing to be the White House's pit bull against the fake news media, has reportedly emerged as Trump's favorite defender on television. The president is really impressed by Gorka, who is an important part of the team. Gorka's greatest victory this month was against CNN's anchor Jake Tapper, who disguised as an objective journalist but he was an operative for Hillary Clinton's campaign. Breitbart reports, during his July 13 appearance on The Lead, Gorka slammed Ben Rhodes, former President Barack Obama's deputy national security advisor for strategic communications, for enabling Obama's disastrous foreign policy. Rhodes was apparently responsible, for instance, for spreading the Obama administration's lies about the Benghazi attacks. It appears that not everyone has the guts to debate with Gorka. Although a debate with him would be pointless because whoever goes against him, he will lose, that's for sure. Hannity would love to host a debate between Gorka and Rhodes, but Gorka thinks that Rhodes wants to hide instead of debating with him. On Saturday, Americans protested CNN's Atlanta headquarters because they are fake news. It seems that the Americans have woken up. It's sad to see that there's no active journalism now because most networks are after ratings and money.